Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create, save a playlist in VLC media player. So first thing that you will do is of course open up the VLC application into your desktop. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to view over here at the top and just simply go to playlist. And now from here, you should be able to see something like this. Just simply right click over here and now click on add file, and after that just simply go ahead and select a file that you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna go for this file over here, so I'm gonna select 2 and click on open. And now from here, in order for you to add more, just simply right click on add file, and you can just simply add more. And now just simply select all of them, and now right click on it, and from here just go to save playlist to file, and from here just simply select a location where you are going to save it, and you can change the name over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for something like test, and now go for save, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.